Hey guys, Sandy here, and happy Secret Not Secret Kit Club Day. So every month on the 9th, we just celebrate the Secret Not Secret Kit Club by posting a little video. So what I am doing is sharing with you the Cocoa Vanilla Legendary Kit that I most recently got from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And I am super excited about this. This is my first ever Cocoa Vanilla kit. My first ever Cocoa Vanilla papers. I've had some enamel dots and some stickers and some like random flair. But oh my word, you guys. The papers, you know I'm a toucher and I'm super duper excited. They are so smooth and nice. So I'm sure everybody knows what Cocoa Vanilla is, and I'm like the last one to ever get it or figure it out, but there it is. So here we have the Legendary Collection. We have this gorgeous star pattern, and on the back, kind of this gray tick mark. And I did ask for 2 of each paper because, hello, who wants to have to decide between these 2 sides, right? So we have the mixed media one, and then this star paper. Then this gorgeous rainbow diagonal stripe. This might be, so far this is my favorite paper. And then on the back side of that, this beautiful tone-on-tone like yellowy orange. Then we have the cut apart sheet with 4x6 and 3x4s and 12-inch strips. And I really appreciate a cut apart sheet like this that doesn't have sentiments or anything already on it, so that way I can do my own thing. And then on the back, this gorgeous pattern. Then this almost mandala tribal looking thing. Oh, I want to do things with this. I have an idea for this. We're going to do things with that, people. Okay, then we have this green diagonal stripe. And then here we have a cut apart sheet that has all the sentiments and stuff on it. One thing that drives me crazy are words that are done like this. Like, they literally drive me crazy. So if I use these, I'll see what the other side is, but if I use these, I will probably fussy cut these out and use them as letters in, you know, in the way they're supposed to be on one line, because it kind of drives me insane. And then on the back is this black, or like gray blue, almost black triangle. Then we have colorful arrows, and then on the back side of that we have this orange with this kind of rickrack pattern on it. Then we have this map print. No idea where the map is. What does this say? I don't know, but a cool, very cool map print. And then on the back side of that, this gorgeous wood grain. Then we have some triangles with pops of color. And then on the back, this kind of like pre-made, messy, mixed media background. And then I also got this star paper from You Rock. So this, and it has this teal triangle on the background. So this is not from Legendary, but I did ask her to throw in any little extras. So we'll put that one under there because that one's not Legendary. Then I got the 6x8 paper stack, and it's 30 single-sided sheets, 2 of each of 15 designs. So this makes me excited. I do love a good 6x8 and paper pack. And this paper, it feels a little bit different than this. This one has like a smoother, like shinier finish to it. So we have the stars, the back side of the stars, more stars, this beautiful rainbow, the yellow, and these colors are just a little bit different than what the big ones are, which gives you lots of options and lots of ways. See, you can see the difference in colors. So lots of tones and lots of options. And they all coordinate. Like, you can all use these together. So I'm not like worried or anything about the different tones. And then we have the second sheet, which I'll just stick off to the side. We have some clear stickers, double-sided, some watercolor marks, some arrows and stars. So those are super fun. We have the beautiful enamel dots. Then we have the flare buttons. Yeah, that's my boy. Some stars and moon, a star, superstar, the mountains, and let's go on the map print. Sorry, I'm starting to lose my voice here. Which is a travesty for someone who, like me, who really enjoys running their mouths. So here we have the stickers. So these are cardstock stickers, I think. Yeah, they're a little bit of a thicker sticker, so that's nice. There's that beautiful rainbow diagonal print again. So lots of labels, big boulder stickers, lots of things to layer up, and then all kinds of good words down here. Then we have the legendary die cut titles, and these are kind of like a hand markered looking title. So we have things like, oh, and these are nice thick too. Kid, super happy kid. Superstar, love, fun, so, adventure, silly, dude, I think I said love already, random, epic, so this, so you can build things, my, hey, the, hello boys, cool, best, brothers, and then this would be really easy to trim around and cut out if you only had brother, like my girls only have brother, I only have brother. Awesome, legend, our, hero, buddies, and rad. So those are lots of title options. These would be awesome to put some glitter glaze on top of. These would be awesome to clear emboss, pop them up on foam squares, all that good fun stuff. And then we have the die cut ephemera. And maybe I will put one of these down here like this so you can actually see it. So we have kind of like the sketchy geometric animals, adventure awaits, certified legend, lots of stars, ooh, stay wild, fun, we have some tabs mixed in there with the stars and also some banners. And this is a star that you could leave together or punch out and have a bunch of different stars. Rad, those are those cute mountains again and again. The moon, a compass, authentic, hey good looking, tickets, which you guys know I love me a ticket. Explore the great outdoors. Here's a gray star with the same thing. You could punch it out. And then this thing, you could leave it as one or punch those out as well and make some frames. We have a wood grain frame with some arrows and this little banner thing that says incredible. And then also there is an exclusive sequin mix that you can only get through the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Spiegel Mom scraps designs mixes to coordinate with a lot of collections, and she designed this one to coordinate with Legendary. So I mean, it looks great. These colors are fantastic. So this is my Cocoa Vanilla Legendary kit. I'm super excited to actually get into it and make some things. So go ahead, stay tuned to my channel because I will be creating some things with this kit. And happy Secret Not Secret Kit Club Day. I will leave all the links down below for the public page of Redefine Creative in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and I'll also leave a link down to the website. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for sharing my excitement over my first Cocoa Vanilla Studio collection, and I will see you guys again real soon.